Infinity Ahzee, taking action to develop the students.
Hello dear, good evening, nice to meet you. I'm Ahzee, welcome to our talk show. Today I'll introduce you a guest who is here.
Hi.
So dear, let's talk to him. Hello, excuse me.
Yes, please.
May I ask you a series of questions?
Why not, you may?
Thanks for your consent. Could you please tell us your name?
Thanks for asking. My name is Nafew.
Well, Nafew. What do you do?
I'm a student.
What class do you read in?
I'm in class 5.
Another important asking for you. What's your ambition?
Thanks. Actually, I wanna be pilot in future.
That sounds good.
Hmm.
By the way, why are you learning English?
Well, look, you know, English is an international as well as very important language. You can say it modern language. So, I am learning this language.
Well, this is the last question for you. Could you please inform us about your favorite hobby?
Oh, yeah, it's very interesting. My favorite hobby is traveling.
Thank you so much for joining us.
It's fine.
Hello dear, meanwhile we have known something about Mr. Nafew. So dear, no more today. Hope to see you next. Please take it easy and pardon me please. Bye.
See ya, bye.